Hello friends, how are you? Today we have Smart TASBEEH ring. This is the SQ668 model. Actually, this ring is for Muslims. On the back side of the box, some details are mentioned like size, material of the ring, and QR code for application. We will scan it later, so let's unbox it and see what's inside of the box. Main ring, charging cable, and a user manual, that's it. So this is Smart TASBEEH ring. It is made of polymer gel resin material. There is a charging port inside the ring, and here is the touch sensor, which controls the ring. On long press, the power turns on and off, so let's turn it on. As soon as it turns on, it will first show the battery level, and then show the time after which you can start your counting. You have to scan this QR code given on the back of the box and download their app and log in. You have to connect your ring by clicking on this connect icon. This ring gives you reminders to pray 6 times. Compass is also provided. There is also an option to check real-time TASBEEH. You can add counters, and it also vibrates at multiples of 33. You can even flip its screen so you can wear it on any hand. So this was the Smart TASBEEH ring. Tell us in the comments whether it is useful or not, and thanks for watching.